Yes, welcome to this new section on solving linear equations. We begin by differentiating between expressions and equations. An expression, like you know, is a math statement that does the function of addition, subtraction, and multiplication. As you hit the bar or click the mouse, you go to the next page. Now, expressions do not have higher powers, can divide or multiply two variables, no square root signs, and I have examples of linear expressions here. The nonlinear expressions are also given out so that you know the difference between the two, between linear and nonlinear expressions. Now, what are the qualities of an equation? Basically, it has the form of y is equals to mb plus x. Now, it's a math statement that has an equality sign. For example, 5x plus 44 is equals to 7, or 2x plus 10 is equals to 6. Now, let's look at some examples. Example number 1 says find x if 2x plus 4 is equals to 10. The steps we are to take are isolate x on the left side and then the other factors on the other side. So that will give us 2x plus 4 is equals to 10, and then subtract 4 from both sides of the equation, and we have 2x plus 4 minus 4 is equals to 10 minus 4, and that turns out to 2x is equals to 6 and x is equals to 3. The next example says find x if 4x minus 4y is equals to 8. First step, isolate x from one side, preferably on the left side, and then 2, divide both sides by 4, and then 3. Check your answers for the original equation. Now, example number 3, we have find x if x plus 3 squared is equals to 12. You might say, but this 3 has a power of 2 on it, square. Well, like I said, if it is an unknown variable, it shouldn't have powers. But for this is a factor that is known, and we can find this out. So that turns out that x plus 9 is equals to 12, and if we subtract 9 from both sides of the equation, x pops out as 3. Now, attempt these questions and follow the pattern you've been given. Isolate x on one side and transpose, then subtract or add as the case may be, and then from the options here, choose the correct answer from what you have solved, and then check your answers on the last page. Like I said before, it needs repetition, practice, and exercise for you to master these things properly. Have a wonderful day. Bye.